In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the Temple of Nachi Falls here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, obviously go ahead and open up that map and you need to go ahead and what I recommend doing is going specifically to the map region sections and look specifically for the Takashiro region right here. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is head to this specific location right over here. I recommend marking this. If you have any of these roads discovered and you want to do this way quicker, go ahead and just fast travel. And of course, once you fast travel, you could just go essentially up this road. And I once again recommend just having that stuff marked because you could literally go right through here. And it's a great view too. You see that waterfall over there. It looks pretty nice. Continue heading up the road a little bit. And of course, once you make your way all the way up to the top of this road, and there's a mascot over here as well. So you do have to go over here anyways if you are trying to complete all the mascot stuff. You'll see the temple right here. And it looks really, really cool if we're just being honest with each other. Once you're essentially at this temple, what you can do is obviously park your car in a pretty cool location, right? And then go ahead and open up photo mode, back up a little bit, and you could take a sick little photo of this. Bang, just like so. As you can see, we are starting to knock that out. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.